Next, I told second example in the last session. My admin and myself, my admin Nazir sir and myself, whenever we are meeting, always the discussion is, sir, we require to pay to that faculty this much amount. We require to pay to this faculty this much amount. Okay, like that. So they are making a phone call. We require to release the payment. Array, half an hour we are going to meet. In that half an hour, only faculty payments only. It's always a bigger problem for me. Okay, because we are not thinking about growth. We are not thinking about planning. We are not thinking about strategies. We are only thinking about, sir, that faculty we require to give this much. This faculty we require to give this much. This faculty or this person's salary we require to give. This type of discussion only, then automatically where is the growth? Where is the time for planning? Where is the time for strategies? Where is the time for enhancements? Nothing. So then I realized it. Then I decided, array, so Nazir sir, whenever we are talking only faculty amounts, beyond that we are not talking anything. So that thing is it's a very low level activity. We should not do that like immediately. So I asked my accountant, every day 40%. Can you please transfer by default to the faculties? Every day 40%. Can you please transfer? For that 40%, my approval is not required. My approval is not required. Then automatically, so if any faculty is going to ask me, is sending the mail, sir, I require some amount, like then directly straightforward. That's not my job. Please contact Nazir sir. He's the whole and soul for related to payments like that. Then how much free time I'm going to get? Can you please imagine? Next, whenever I'm meeting Nazir sir is never going to talk about any faculty payments. Unless and until if there is any bigger thing is required, then only we will talk with each other. Otherwise, so he the responsible for all the remaining things. Then am I getting free time or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. Am I getting free time, right? That 1 hour free time, happily I can learn some Claude and I can take a Claude session, which is more worthy. That is the beauty you people should require to aware. Giving small magical permission.